Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Randall here, and today's lesson on instructions is a bit special because you've got Mrs. Randall and Miss Randall helping you. So, let's get started. When writing instructions, we remember all the normal things of capital letters, full stops, finger spaces, listening out for sounds, and also some joint handwriting, and I've seen lots of fantastic joint handwriting. The other thing we remember are time connectives at the beginning of our sentences, like first, next, after, finally, those kind of words. We're going to be using those today, and I'd like you to look out for those when Miss Randall shows you her cooking. And the other thing that we need to include are some bossy verbs. So when we write an instruction, we might write something like, first, pour the milk. So first would be the time connective, and pour would be the thing you're doing, the verb. And they sound a bit bossy. We don't say please or thank you in instructions normally. You'll see some on paper in a moment, but for now, over to Miss Randall.
My name is Izzy. I am going to cook for you today. First I need to peel the potato. So this is pretending to be a peeler.
So the very first instruction that Miss Randall gave was first peel the potato. And I've given you two hints here. Can you spot the time connective? Well done if you can see that it's first. And can you spot that bossy verb called an imperative verb, if you were wondering? There it is. It's the word peel. Well done.
Now I need to chop it. Next I need to put it in a bag.
So our next instruction started with next, finger space, I almost forgot then, didn't I? Chop the potato. And what must I remember at the end of my sentence? Full stop, well done. And the time connective, next, and that bossy verb telling us what to do is chop.
Stella, I need to stir it.
Our third instruction begins with after, and year twos we normally put a comma after the time connective. Stir, it all together. Full stop.
Then, carefully, I need to open the milk.
I wonder if you heard a slightly different word in that instruction. It said then, which is a time connective, this word, it said carefully open the milk. So we've got our time connective, we've got our bossy verb, the thing telling us what to do, but year twos, I wonder, do you know what this one is? Carefully, it tells you how to do it. It's called an adverb. If you can include some of those in your instructions, I'd be really impressed.
Then the next I need to put it in a bag. After that, I need to store it.
Our next instruction actually joins 2 points together. Miss Randall said, pour it into the bowl, and she also said, stir it gently. But I decided to put that all together into one sentence and join those two together using a conjunction. Can you spot the conjunction I used to join the two sentences together? Well done if you noticed. Here is my conjunction and. In Year 1s and Year 2s you know how to join sentences using and, don't you? So it goes, next, pour it into the bowl slowly and stir it gently.
Then I need to peel it. After that, I need to chop the onion.
I wonder if for our 6th instruction you can spot the bossy verbs and the time connective and a conjunction. We've got time connective, bossy verb, another bossy verb, and here is a joining word, a conjunction, joining our sentences together. Then peel and chop the onion and put it in a bowl. That's another bossy verb.
Finally, it goes in the microwave to cook.
Number 7 is our last point, and it says, finally put it in the microwave to cook. We use the time connective finally or lastly to show it's the very last thing to do. We can't put it up here for number 5 or number 4, otherwise the person trying to follow the instructions would think it was the end.
Ta-da!
Now I can't actually promise that Miss Randall's instructions for making a soup will actually make a soup, and I definitely wouldn't recommend putting a metal bowl in a microwave. But I hope it gave you an idea of how you can write a set of instructions. It doesn't have to be for anything for food. It could be for a favourite game you like to play or how to do something. It really doesn't matter as long as you're having fun doing some writing. I can't wait to see what you do. Remember to pop it in the comments below. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Everyone needs to taste it. 1, 2, 3.